This is lesson 9.3, multiplying binomials, page 505, the first part, part A. We're going to begin by looking at the distributive property. Yesterday, we looked at factoring things out. Today, we're going to distribute. And now we're not going to just factor out a monomial. We're multiplying together binomials. In other words, two polynomials that have two terms apiece. And when we do that, we need to distribute. And when we distribute, it's like we're distributing the two terms in here and multiplying them by the two terms here. So basically, it's like I'm taking 6h and multiplying it by each term in there. And then I'm taking the term -7 and multiplying it by each term here. So let's look at that. Let's take 6h times 2h. Well, 6 times 2 is 12, and h times h is h squared. And 6h times 3. So 6h times 3. 6 times 3 is 18, and h times 1 is just h. And those are positive, so we'll add those together. Okay? So we've taken care of our 6h. Now we're ready to take care of the -7. So -7 times 2h. Well, -7 times 2 would be -14h. And then -7 times 3 would be -21. Okay. Do I have any like terms? Do I have any terms that are the same? Voila. H and h. No other h squared and no other single term. So 12h squared, 18h minus 14h is plus 4h minus 21. Oh, just wait till we get ready to factor those smart guys. But that's my answer. Okay? Let's look at this one. 5m, I'm going to distribute to 8m minus 1m minus 1. So 5 times 8 is 40. M times m is m squared. 5 times -1, -5. M times 1 is m. Okay? +2. 2 times 8 is 16. And m times 1 is m. 2 times -1 is -2. Combine like terms. Voila. No other term here, no other term here. 40 m squared -5 plus 16 plus 11m minus 2. Is there a shortcut way for this? Is there a way that we can do this a little bit quicker? The FOIL method, which is basically what we've been doing here when we distribute it. If you want to look at the FOILing method, you're going to be able to multiply two binomials using FOIL. Well, FOIL stands for something. Stands for first, outside, inside, last. First, outer, inner, last. So if we look at 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 5. Okay? Look at your first terms. 2x times 3x. Okay? 2x times 3x is 6x squared. Okay? Look at your red. Look at your outside terms. This is an outside term. No, that's an inside term. This is an outside term, and this is an outside term. They're on the outside. Well, 2x times 5 is 10x. And you look at your inside terms. This is an inside term plus 3, and this is an inside term. That's where we get 9. So your outside and inside terms are always going to be to 1 degree. Your first terms will always be your highest degree, and your last terms will always be your lowest degree. So your last terms are 5 and 3, which is 15. Then you can combine your like terms, which 10 plus 9 is 19. So it becomes 6x squared plus 19x plus 15. Let's do a couple more using the FOIL method. 2 more here. First, 3x times 2x. That is 6x squared. Outside, 3x times 5. 15x. Inside, negative 4, 2x minus 8x. Last, negative 4 times 5, negative 20. Like terms, bunk, bunk. 6x squared, 15 minus 8 plus 7x minus 20. There you go. One more. 3c minus 7 times the quantity 2c minus 5. First, 3c times 2c, 6c squared. Outside, 3c and negative 5, negative 15c. Inside, negative 7 times 2, negative 14c. Last, negative 7 times negative 5 plus 35. Therefore, my answer is 6c squared, negative 15 minus 14, negative 29c plus 35. See me for your guided practice problem.